Now I'm going to find the ridge here. Of course, I got one hand on this, so and I'm just going to wait at this moment now. Alright, right there is good enough. Okay, next step is to add the drill into the bucket. Okay, I've put the drill into the actual drum of water here. Now the key thing to remember is this in normal use is always set to high. It must be turned to low when mixing expanding agent. This is the first mistake people usually make. It spills everywhere and this trailer's a mess because of it. Drill to low, remember that. I've laid out everything aside here for me to use. This is a bag filled with black stuff that I'll be pouring into that. This is the salt. I'll be doing 2 of these salts. And we got 2 of these buckets right here. So this bag's cut in half. I have another half somewhere. So we got 2 bags of this salt. This is the salt so you guys can see. This is road salt. What's in these drums, a little bit more of a secret, but it doesn't matter. They're pre-measured, so it only takes exactly 2. Now keep in mind, I'm paid to work, so if you like this video and found it helpful, please send a like, because I really should be working, and that's what I'm about to do right now. And that's it. We are done. 1 batch of expanding agent. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll be making more videos like this on the job. I don't really take cigarette breaks or communicate much with other people on the job site, so I don't see any harm with me doing some recordings here and there of me working.